Question number 9. Open your book. Question is like this. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Here is a wooden article made by solid cylinder, scooping out a hemisphere from each end, top and bottom. As shown in figure, if height of cylinder is 10 cm, height of cylinder is equal to 10 cm. Here height of cylinder. And its base is of radius 3.5 cm. Radius is equal to 3.5 cm. Height is equal to 10 cm. Find the total surface area of article. In this question, article is made of cylinder and scooping out hemisphere both ends. Height of cylinder is equal to 10 cm and radius of cylinder is equal to 3.5 cm. Then find total surface area of cylinder. In this figure, in this article, total surface area of article, which shapes are combined? Curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of hemisphere. We know curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. R is equally as cylinder. Now, total surface area of article equals to, which shapes are combined? Yes, cylinder and two hemisphere. Then we write curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere. Okay. Same. What is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? Yes, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r plus what is the formula of curved surface area of hemisphere? Here two hemispheres. Then we write two hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Which formula? Yes, 2 pi r square. Then we write 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square equals to, which is common part? 2 pi r. Then h plus 2 2s are 4, pi is common, 2 r. Here we put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is equal to 3.5. H is equal to 10 plus 2 into 3.5. 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10. Here 10 plus 7.0. 35 is a 70. Then we write 7.0. 7 5 is a 5 2 is a 2 cut. Here 22 into 10 plus 7, 17. 17 twos are 34, 3, 17 twos are 34 and 3, 35, 6, 7. 374 centimeter square. Then area of surface area of article is equals to 374 centimeter square. Then write, at last you write statement. The total surface area of article is equals to 374 centimeter square. Again in question, two hemisphere. In article it is form cylinder and two scope of a hemisphere is. Then find height of cylinder and radius of cylinder given. Then find total surface area of article. Then we use total surface area of article is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere 2 pi r h plus 2 2 square. 2 into 2 pi r square is equals to 4 pi r square. Common part here 2 pi r. Remaining part h plus 2 r. Otherwise you have to then you put the value and then sum out. Then simplify. Answer is 374 centimeter square. Total surface area of particle is equal to 374 centimeter square. In next lecture, our exercise 13.1 completed. In next lecture, we calculate about next topic. Good morning. In previous section, we learned combination of two solids. Find total surface area of combination of two solids. We find basic solids are combined to attach each other, and then we find total surface area of this solid made by two shaped solids. In this section, we find combination of volume of combination of two solids. We find first we remember our return formula of volume formula. Volume of cube is equals to side cube. Volume of cuboid is equals to L into B into H. Yes, you remember all the formula, area and volume. Volume of cylinder pi r square H. Anybody say me? Volume of cone? No, 1 upon 3 pi r square H. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of frustum, when we learn frustum, then I say. Here, example number 5. Open your book, question is like this. Santa runs an industry in the shape which is in the shape of a cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder. If the base of the shade is of dimension 7 meter and 15 meter and the height of the cuboidal portion is 8 meter, find the volume of air that the shade can hold. Further, suppose the machinery in the shade occupies a total space of 300 meter cube and there are 20 workers, each of whom occupy about 0.08 meter cube space on an average, then how much air is in the ship? In this question, there is industry is in the shape of cuboid surmounted by half cylinder. There is no machinery, no workers in industry. Then find how many air in this industry. Then we find volume of air in the industries is equals to which two ships combine. Here this shape is cuboidal and half cylinder. We write here for cuboid length is equals to 15 meter, height is equals to 8 meter and breadth is equals to 7. For cylinder, half cylinder, height is equals to also its length. It is cylinder's height and radius. Diameter is equals to 7. Diameter is equals to 7 meter. Then its radius is equals to 7 by 2 meter. Height of cylinder is equals to 15 meter and diameter is equals to 7 meter. Then radius is equals to 7 by 2 meter. Find total air in this portion. Find the volume of air that the shape can hold. Pi is equals to 22 by 7. We find further question again. In last, first we find volume of air that the shape can hold. First we find volume of air in shape equals to volume of cuboid plus volume of half cylinder. Which two shapes combine? Volume of cuboid plus volume of half cylinder. Volume of cuboid. Which formula? L into P into H plus volume of half cylinder is equals to pi half, that is 1/2, and volume of cylinder pi r square h. 1/2 pi r square h. Here L is equals to, what is the value of L? L is equals to 15 into B 7 into height 8 plus 1/2 into pi is equals to 22 by 7. R is equals to 7 by 2. Then we write 2 times square of R square is equals to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into H. H is equals to 50. 15 8s are 120. 0 12 7s are 84 plus 7 7 cut 2 11s are 11 7s are 77 into 15 15 sevens are 105, 10, 15 sevens are 105 plus 10, 115. 105 plus 10, 115 divided by 4 is equals to 840 plus 4 2s are 8, 3 35, 4 8s are 32, 3 35, 4 8s are 32, 3 0, 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20 is equals to 0.75, 8, 8 4 12, 1 1 2 8 5.75 centimeter cube. Volume of air in shade without machinery and workers is equals to 1128.75 centimeter cube. Here volume, unit of volume, volumes unit is equals to centimeter cube, meter cube and liquid form. Then we say liter, milliliter. In next lecture, I write conversion table. 1 meter cube is equals to how many centimeter cube? Therefore, 1 meter cube is equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. And 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. I write here in next lecture. Now, number 2. Further, suppose the machinery in the shade occupies a total space of 300 meter cube. Then we write machinery occupied the space is equals to 300 meter cube. 300 meter. And there are 20 workers, each of whom occupy about 0.08 meter cube. One worker occupies 0.08 meter cube space, then 20 workers. Then we write 20 workers occupy the space is equals to one worker occupies space 0.08. Here how many workers? 20 workers. 28 is 160. 28 is 160. Then we cut here is equals to 1.6 meter cube. Then, how much air is in the shade? How much air? Then, air in the shade is equals to, without machinery and workers, air into shade is equals to 1128.75 minus space occupied by machinery and workers is equal to 300 plus 1.60 meter cube is equal to 1128.575 minus 301.60. Total air, then occupied space, then remaining air is equal to, then air in the shade after this occupied the space is equal to 5, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 1, 7. 2, 11 minus 3, 8. 827.15 centimeter cube. Here, answer is 827.15 meter cube and 1128.75 centimeter cube. Again, in industry, find how much air, volume of air. Industrial shape is combined with cuboid and half cylinder. Then we find volume of air in this shape is equals to volume of cuboid plus volume of half cylinder. Using that formula, L into B into H and 1/2 pi r square H, then find 11.1128.75 centimeter cube. Further, we find if there is machinery occupied 300 centimeter square, 300 meter cube space and one worker occupied 0.08 meter cube, then find there are 20 workers in the same. Then occupied space by 20 workers is equals to 20 multiplied 0.08 is equals to 1.60 meter cube. Now, how much air in this after arrange occupied space by machinery and workers is equals to total air, volume of air minus this space is subtracted from this, then we get 827.15 centimeter cube. Now, example number 6.